Hello students, I hope you all are fine. Students, today we are going to start our new chapter, data handling. You are very well aware of this chapter. You have done this chapter in your lower classes also. But in this class, we will discuss some new terms. So today I am going to discuss two terms. First is range and second is arithmetic mean, which is also called average. Okay, so let's take example. So first I have taken here one example. Organize the following marks in a class test in a tabular form. So marks of students are given. Okay, first you have to arrange it in table form, then you have to give answers of following questions. So first I have organized the data in the tabular form. Okay, so for that first we will write the marks in ascending order, and then we will see. Now you all know how to write in this tally marks. So first we will see 4, so we will put here 1 tally mark. Then next is 6, we will put 1 in front of 6. So similarly we will organize this data in this table. Okay, now let's see the question. First is, which number is the highest? Now after organizing the data, it will be very easy for you to see which is the highest number. Otherwise, from here, if you want to see from unorganized data, it will be very difficult for you to find out the highest marks. Okay, so better you not better, it is compulsory to write in ascending order. So from here you can give answer 9 is the highest number. Next question is, which is the lowest number? So you can easily tell 1 is the lowest number. Now third question is, what is range of the data? Now what is range? Range, how to find range? The highest observation minus lowest observation. Okay, so highest is 9 and lowest is 1. So what will be the range? Put the values. First write down the formula, then put the values. So 9 minus 1 is 8. So fourth part is, find the arithmetic mean. Now what is the formula to find arithmetic mean? Arithmetic mean means average. Average means, you all know how to find the average. Sum of all terms divided by number of terms. Okay, so first we will add all these marks. Okay, then divided by number of students. How many students are there? 20, because 20 number of marks are there. Okay, so after adding all the marks and dividing with number of students, we will get average. Average is 5. It means maximum students get 5 marks. Okay, so 5 is the average. So I hope it is all clear to you. Thank you students. Have a nice day.